Hey there, welcome to iSenseHUB. I am excited to have you here. My name is Jay. I will be your tour guide throughout the entire iSenseHUB platform. The goal of iSenseHUB is to help you maximize your output while minimizing the efforts by using AI. And today we will be looking at the tutorials page which helps you to achieve that goal. The tutorials page is at the top here. Click on that. Whilst it is loading, the tutorials page has a lot of videos that shows you tips, tricks on how to use the tools on the iSenseHUB platform or even AI in general. So take your time and work your way through each and every one of the videos here and learn the insights or the details of each and every one of the tools and what you can use it for and how you can apply that to your business or your personal life in general. So with that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.